wrong with sitting at home in your cozy pajamas with your puppy or just yourself and maybe have your favorite little munch food. I mean, it's New Year's. You sure don't want to spend it the way I did, throwing up all night. And the thing is that, I know people are like, yeah, you were hungover. No, I wasn't. I didn't do any drinking at all. This was from food. And I think it was instantly from food. I don't think it was from, which would mean it's probably not food poisoning as much as it just didn't agree with me. So it's not knocking the bearer of the food. Okay, so let's try this. Oh, it's gooey. Let's see how it goes. The good thing about gooey mascara is it catches the lashes really good. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's anything to write home about. Some big brand. I feel like I've seen a lot of ads for this, like on Instagram or something. It's one of those. Rodale. Or Rodale, that's what it looks like. Rodil. Really trying to overload the lash to get the best benefit. It's okay. I may have to use it a day or two to tell you if I really like it, y'all. Oh my gosh, a bunch of fuzzies just got on it. Whatever. I cannot get over all the fallout on my face from that what am I trying to say? That blush brush, or contour brush from Morphe. Maybe it just got hot. Maybe it got dry. Maybe it got old. I'm trying to give them a hand. Go Morphe, go. I know a lot of people love Morphe brushes. Sometimes I think the people you see on YouTube who say they love them is because they're cheaper brushes, so they're doing deals with some of the big people, big subscriber people, giving them their own brush set and say, if we give you your own, which that's got to be pretty enticing to someone who's been a makeup artist and they're getting a break like that where you can have your own makeup or your own brush set. That would be very enticing. And so you're going to promote that brand, which is the whole reason why they want you, is because you already have so many followers. And then you're going to tell all those followers you love their product. And it's because they made you your own set. And no matter what the quality is, you're going to try to get the best quality out of it that you can with your name on it. But that still doesn't mean you would have picked that. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I'm not saying I wouldn't even fall prey to that myself, nor would you. I mean, when somebody offers to kind of make your name famous on a product versus a channel, that's kind of cool. Especially if your whole life you've been a makeup artist. Now, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just a regular old gal who is trying very hard to make this mascara work. And now it's starting to even get messy. It may be because I did not fully get all my mascara off from before. I feel like there's a little residue on my lashes, so maybe that's part of it. Again, I'm trying to give this the benefit of the doubt, even though I'm not seeing a lot of benefit of this mascara at all. It's kind of thin. I don't see any kind of build that's happening. It's not going to get my recommendation. I'm sorry. And I know, therefore, they're very upset. They're going home crying to their mamas. I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Okay? So I need to go clean my face off from, I have no idea where my glasses are. Y'all, I can't even see. So did I put everything on that I should have? I've got some lashes. I found my glasses there. Here, they were behind my day planner. I got my new day planner. Okay, so did I run over? Yeah, I already ran over. So I've got a few minutes, so might as well, because it's going to be a part 3 anyway, right? So, y'all know this is my last year day planner. It's an Erin Condren, and I love this cover. And the covers you can take on and off, because remember I showed y'all got some new ones for my new day planner, but I'm not happy about one thing about my day planner. I love these little removable covers, because like I said, this is my winter one, and I have a spring and summer one. What I don't not like, and I didn't notice it at first, is this is silver. I don't want silver, and so I'm going to call them today and see, did I mess up the order, and can I have, if I sent it back today and overnight it or whatever, or can they send me a coil and tell me how to do this, because I like the gold, and that's why I ordered the covers that I did, because they would go better with gold. The silver I don't like. I think that's what makes this look really classy, is the gold. Some people like the pink gold, rose gold, or whatever. I like gold.